Hey guys, today I'm discuss very important topic about that Facebook group option, the Facebook page on small information for this. What are the information for this? So in this one, I'm showing for how do I link multiple Facebook pages to a group. Suppose one group is there, how to link the multiple pages. So what are the benefit for this? So we have the 10 pages, 20 pages, how to add in the particular one group option. In this purpose, so what are the group you design? We can link for n number of pages. The purpose I tell you. When you open for the particular page, at a time we can posting for Facebook page and group also. I tell you the how it is. In the double dot, in this option we can adding for business. Now here, what are the purpose of linking? At a time we can posting for Facebook page and group purpose. We can linking for Facebook group will be linking for multiple Facebook pages. This page we can adding for multiple page also. This group, this page will be there. Another page also there. How we can adding for multiple Facebook pages in one group. In this purpose, go to group option. Admin compulsory need. Your admin will be compulsory need. Go to the group option. Here, the option name is called setting. In the setting, just scroll down in this linked pages. In one group, we can linking for multiple Facebook pages. If add another page, I'm showing you here. Right now I'm scrolling here. So I'm linking this one, link, simple link to your page. Just we can check. Previous total link pages will be 9. Open it. Which page are you adding? Open the page. Is a group adding or not? How we can check? Just before double dot, just double three direction we can adding for business dot. Searching option. Here we can posting for see the groups. This group will be adding for in a particular pages. We can adding for direct into the using for Facebook page also. See this. These all will be linked from groups through page through group. Both will be possible. We can add a group will be setting option. Page will be groups. An option will be link your groups. What are the groups you have? Link for particular groups. There is a better option for this. When you're posting for in this Facebook page, at a time you can uploading for Facebook page and group also. That all will be given by the particular Facebook page and groups. So that is purpose we can link for on the particular page and group option. I'll show example. I'm uploading this content. Select image, video, image, everything possible. Nothing will be possible, everything will be possible. But most of the we can sharing for image is most using for the particular option. So yeah. Add your content. Select your option. We can share groups and we can sharing for Instagram also. There's a link for Instagram already I'm discussing my channel. Now I'm sharing for a page and group. When link your group will be multiple pages. The page will be content will be sharing Facebook page. Again we can sharing for Facebook group also. That is purpose. We can link Facebook group to Facebook page option. Through Facebook page option will be there. Through Facebook group also there. Group will be setting and page will be option will be groups add by the LinkedIn groups. And one more question will be there. Some people asking one question. So the group tab will not enable. That is called we can go to setting option enabled by the group tab. That's compulsory important. So here the group. If you're not there, simple we can go to for settings. And the option will be here, template and tabs. Here add your tabs will be groups. Where tabs will be, add tab option will be there. So this is a way we can link your Facebook pages into the group option. One group adding for multiple pages, one page adding for multiple groups also. These two options will be valid for a posting content item, page and groups. So this method we can follow. Posting will be the item your Facebook page and group also. Use this method and post will be increase page and group options. That mean by to increase your group members and increase by the page likes. Thank you. If any further doubts, please ask me. I clarify the each and every doubts.